Former Bihar Director General of Police Gupteshwar Pandey on Sunday joined Nitish Kumar-led Janata Dal United at his residence. Now, Pandey came into light after he made comments on Riya Chakraborty and again hit the headlines after he voluntarily retired from his services. Now, on Sunday, he met Nitish Kumar at the party office and dismissed all the doubts regarding his joining politics. Now, his step of retiring from his services has become a topic of discussion in social media. It is being said that after Sushant Singh Rajput's case was registered in Patna, he grabbed this opportunity. However, Pandey denies all the claim, saying that there is no correlation between actor's death case and his retirement. Now, his resignation does not come as a surprise, as his interest in politics is well known. It is being said that he might contest elections from Buxar, which is his hometown, or Shahpur of Bihar. Now, the state government accepted Pandey's voluntary retirement, which is VRS, within a period of 24 hours and waived off the mandatory 3-month cooling off period. That means the government had relaxed the norm of 3 months notice for taking the VRS. Now, apparently, the 1987 batch IPS officer took VRS back in 2009 also, as he was looking forward for a BJP nomination from Buxar, which is his hometown. But when he did not get the ticket, he rejoined his services after 9 months. Now, his rejoining of services became a controversial issue back in 2009 and still remains the same. Now, this is because once an officer has taken a voluntary retirement and that is accepted by a state or the central government, he or she cannot rejoin the services. Many officers condemned this at that point of time too, saying that this is no less than making a joke out of service and bureaucracy and taking the rules for granted. Now, this also raised an issue of conflict of interest, as VRS at some level is considered as a final call. Now, VRS is voluntary retirement scheme whereby an employee who is above 40 years of age and has completed minimum 10 or more years of service wishes to retire before the due time. The employee who avails this service gets 50% of his salary for the remaining period of the service, along with the other benefits of Provident Fund, gratuity and pension. However, an employee has to provide a notice in writing to the appointing authority or the government at least 3 months prior before he wishes to retire. Now, this is to ensure that there are no charges or no cases of disciplinary against the officer or any kind of charges of malpractices. Even after that, the application is deemed accepted. Now, for example, last year in July, former Union Secretary Subhash Chandra Garg voluntarily retired from his services. However, his application was accepted after 1 month. Now, the print media talked to some of the former civil servants who said that acceptance of VRS application within 24 hours happens, but that happens only in rare cases unless a political settlement is involved. Now, another controversial aspect with respect to Pandey is the fact that he was allowed to rejoin his services after 9 months after his VRS application was accepted by the government back in 2009. Now, let me also notify that in 2017, the government allowed for the withdrawal of VRS applications, but only in the cases where they have not accepted the application before the expiry date of the notice period. Now, unlike the post-retirement jobs available at the private sector, no cooling off period exists for IS, IPS and other ranked officers who wishes to retire from their job to join politics. In 2012, however, the Election Commission recommended the government that all the ranked officers who have recently retired or wishes to retire from their job before the due date should be kept away from electoral politics for at least 2 years. Now, this proposal was rejected by the government, saying that disallowing all ranked officers from joining politics would be violating their right to equality and the other rights that are given by the Constitution to them. Now, Pandey's case has come under radar and many officers have condemned and questioned the Bihar government, saying that there is a strong case of cooling off period for officers who hold sensitive positions like DGP, Chief Secretary and other positions at the ministerial stage. Others have also said that this is an abuse of official position, and abusing official position in lieu of post-retirement jobs or election tickets has become a BJP trend. Let me also bring it to your notice that Gupteshwar Pandey was named in the abduction and the murder case of 12-year-old child Nirvana Chakraborty in 2014. The case was transferred to CBI, who questioned him and 2 other officers. Now, he was at that point of time the Inspector General of Muzaffarpur, where the case happened. Now, the victim's father accused Pandey to be one of the people involved in his daughter's abduction and murder. However, Pandey denied all the claims, saying that this is nothing but an attempt to ruin his image.